Welcome back to the channel. This is my first time ever hearing Wing Dopamine official video, and this is going to be beatboxing. So with that being said, we're smoking all my dragons, divine, righteous, almighty, greats, overachieving, never slacking. Original link in the description. And let's dive into something new. Wing, here we go.
The brain's motivation neurotransmitter, dopamine. 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 Dopamine now. Can you feel it now? Check it. Dopamine.
That was the craziest thing I've heard in a long time. That was 100% the craziest thing I've heard in a long time. I'm not gonna lie. Like that just blew me away. There's some things you could just listen to and you'll be like, "Whoa, this is how what kind of magic is this?" Like that's jaw dropping talent. There's people who are talented. You're like, okay, this is good. There's people where you're like, this is great. And then there's people where you're like, are you a robot? Like that's how insanely talented this person Wing. And this is my first. This is my introduction to Wing. This is my first time ever listening, and that was more than a performance. Just I wasn't even ready for that. I gotta be honest with you. I wasn't. That's one of them ones where you like, okay, I wasn't ready. That was a whole nother level. A whole nother level. Listen, hopefully, hopefully y'all as blown away as I am. I want to see how you couldn't be, to be honest. Original link in the description, and I got a feeling that will not be the last time I will be listening to Wing. If you enjoyed this, definitely don't hesitate to hit that like, that subscribe, and that notification bell. I will see y'all soon. That was crazy.